Okay, everybody. We're in No Clip VR, but we're in with Dusk this time. Have you ever played this game before? I forget where to go.
I was watching a few of the backroom videos earlier.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I feel like I'm about to rip my arms off, bro. This hurts. Where are we even going? Oh, gee. Let's play some music, shall we? Oh, jeez. No. Okay, guys. Both of us left. So, let's get back to
Man,
it.
freak this game.
My voice is cooked.
Oh, what the kid? This kid just teleported here.
Major love.
I just saw this red kid go flying across those holes. Oh, right here, right here. Red kid behind. Yes, yes, bro. Oh my god! I have no idea. Dude. Muscle is called. Oh, you've got to be tweaking on. Hey, I got it, I got it. Oh no.
No.
No! No way, bro.
No way.
Wait, I'm so close.
Okay, Dusk. The only way to survive these things is to get under the table. Oh, I got the red key. I'm coming back to red. Wait. Oh, my bad. Oh, wait. Yes! Kind of looks like
I
a
have to
white
go back.
monster. Guys, there's no way I just made it back. Oh, boopity scoopity. My bad, man. Come on, fight me.
Oh, damn it. I died.
Yep, same. I tried to fight it.
I'm just sitting down right now.
Okay. What the fuck? Hey, bro. No, so I was like, so he came and I was like, "Ha, fuck, you're gay," and then he just comes in at me and I'm like, "Oh, fuck."
Oh! Found blue key. Hey, yo! I swear, bro. I did it! Oh,
Let's go.
my back.
Yes,
Alright,
Daddy's
alright,
here.
tell
I
us,
said to
sir.
the monster, "Hey, you," and I died right there. I hear the screams of people.
So what are
They're
we talking
over
about here?
there.
I go.
So then we gotta go over here.
Go. I recommend you
Yeah.
get down.
Okay, we're looking. Oh, I'm so skibobbled, bro. No way, dude. Green. Oh! I found it. Oh! Found it, guys. Got the last fuse.
I'm here. Watch out.
No! Somewhere around here.
Found
Yeah!
it.
Got it! No!
Where'd it go?
Did you get it?
Got it. Yeah, I
Grab
got
it.
it.
Go, go, go! Go back! Everybody at the elevator.
Fuck, boys.
Yes!
did it.
Yes!